Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are learning project management or business analyst or planning to become one, then today's video will make your life easier. Because in this video, I'll explain Agile versus Waterfall in simple real world term so that even if you are completely new, you'll understand how project really work in a company. By the end, you'll know what agile and waterfall actually mean, the difference between them, and which one is used where. So let's begin. First, let's understand what is a project methodology. Before we jump into agile and waterfall, let's first understand what a methodology means. A project methodology, in simple way, it's a way of doing your project from start to finish. It's like a recipe for your work. How you plan, how you build, and how you test, and how you deliver results. As per PMBOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge, it's defined as a framework that guides how the project is managed and executed. So, Agile and Waterfall are two different ways of doing the same work, just like two recipes for cooking the same dish. After understanding methodology, now let's understand what is waterfall. Waterfall is a model. Let's understand it with an example. Imagine you are building a bridge. You first design it completely, get it approved, then you start building. You can't come back midway and say, "Oh, I want to change the design." That's exactly how waterfall model works. In waterfall, you complete one stage fully before moving to the next. It's a linear and sequential. The steps are usually requirement gathering, design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. According to PMBOK, this approach fits well for the project with clearly defined scope, budget, deadline. After we have understood waterfall, let's understand what is agile. Now, let's talk about agile, the star of modern project management. The word agile means quick and flexible. It came from Agile Manifesto, created by software experts who want to respond to the change faster. In Agile, we don't plan everything at once. We work in small parts called iteration, or you can call it sprint. Usually, it is 2 to 4 weeks. You continuously test, take feedback, and improve. So the customer keeps seeing the progress every week, not after a month. Now let's take example. Let's say you are building a mobile app for food delivery. You don't know every feature yet. Users might give feedback. So in sprint 1, you make login and sign up. In sprint 2, you add restaurant search. And in sprint 3, you add payment. Each sprint gives a working product. And you can change directly and easily. That's the agile mindset. Means responding to the change over following a strict plan. Let's now compare them side by side. This is where the most people get confused, but I'll make it super easy for you. So let's go step by step. So waterfall is sequential, step by step. The approach for waterfall is step by step. But in Agile, the approach is iterative. That is it in cycles. We have small sprints, like the example that I gave you. For mobile app development, they have a login page created first, and then all other pages in the second sprint, third sprint. So in cycle, agile development is done. And now waterfall manages, like the planning in waterfall is everything is upfront. It is just a single plan that works for waterfall. So but the planning in agile is per sprint wise. So and waterfall flexibility is very low, but in agile the flexibility is very high. In waterfall, feedbacks come at the end, but in Agile, the feedbacks come in every sprint. Waterfall is best for fixed, predictable project, but Agile is best for changing or evolving project. PM role in Waterfall is to manage, plan, and execution, whereas PM role in Agile facilitates teamwork and removes blocker. Now let's understand the BA role. BA role in Waterfall gathers detailed requirement early, whereas BA role in Agile works continuously with team and client. In simple summary, in Waterfall, we plan at once but deliver at the end. But whereas in case of Agile, we plan small but we deliver often. That's why modern companies like Google, Amazon, startup prefer Agile. But it's not that one is better than the other. Both have their own places. We like the user use waterfall when the requirements are clear. You don't need a strict document and change is costly. So they prefer waterfall in that case. But for agile, when requirements may evolve, you want fast feedback and team work is essential. So in that case, agile is used instead of waterfall. Now, here PMBOK and BABOK both agrees the right approach depends on project environment and stakeholders' need. So, whatever methodology you follow, waterfall or agile, it depends upon the stakeholders' need. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. I share more the video every week on project management and business analysis in the easiest way possible. And also, I urge you to comment below if you still have any confusion or tell me what topic I should explain next. I'll pick it from your comment. For my next video, I'll just include that topic. So, see you soon. Bye bye.